Super excited to bring this to you. The new Wellness Boxes are here. They're designed by Presidential Diamonds, and this month is Tara Bliss to kick it off. And she is just a gorgeous beauty queen. If you've seen her inside and out, just a beautiful soul. So what she's put in her little box of goodness is none other than very popular Whisper. Now, Whisper, if you don't know, is a unique blend for women that you can apply and wear on your pulse points, and just gives you a beautiful perfume that for every individual that wears it, it brings out their own aroma. It's also really good for hormones and supporting that, through cycles. And if you get really lots of heaviness or you have any issues around that, it's a really great one to help support that. I have many people attribute Whisper helping settle that down for them. So that's one, Whisper. Then she also has Passion. Now, Passion is our inspiring blend. We love this one. Helps get you out of a rut and bring out that creativity. And both of these are actually aphrodisiacs. So very handy for the bedroom too. You can diffuse that, but you can wear them as perfumes too. And they blend really nicely with other ones. So that's for the women. And then there's the more like guy type ones that they can also wear as perfumes, but there's many other uses for these that I use. So Siberian Fir, it's really fresh, forest-like. This one is great. You can add a couple of drops like into your cleansers, your body washes, and those sort of things. It's going to make it very invigorated. If you have any muscle discomfort and achiness for babies with their little teethy pegs popping through, you can pop that along the jawline with some lavender. Perfect for that. But I love being able to blend that with all the other florals and the citrus. That works really well. Cedarwood, an emotional side of Siberian Fir too is that it helps with all the generational healing and things, so it's really good for that. Now, Cedarwood, he's great for sleep, helping settle down, like the central nervous system, helping calm that and ground it back down. And also a natural bug repellent, so you can diffuse that to help keep the nasties away. But yeah, Cedarwood is a beautiful one. And finally, out of the oils is also wild orange. And who doesn't love wild orange? It's like that little pop of goodness. It's real positivity. You could actually combine these together. I'm going to tell you, I actually put all of these in diffuser and they smell the bomb. So you can try that, a little drop of each of them, and then just mix in between, because they actually work really. Wild orange works with these guys really well, Whisper and Passion. You can wear that as your perfume. And then finally we have the lip balm. Now, lip balm is so beautiful and you can put it on. It's just really nourishing for those lips. And for your everyday items, your shampoo and conditioner. So that's in the box. You get the whole box. Plus, there was one more thing. You get a fractionated coconut oil. So that there, you get to order this month only, while stocks last, because it is selling quick. You will also get a free lemongrass with it, because if you order before the 15th, that's your product of the month. You need to place it on a loyalty rewards order, and you save approximately over $40 with that whole lot. I will show you how to order that in a moment in a next video, so keep watching. Alright, I'm here to show you how to place your order to pick up the wellness boxes. So you can see the product of the month, the 200 PV promotion as well, and it also shows you what's 10% off. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, you would come into your back office and you would have had a pop-up box. You click that away, you come into shop, and then you click onto your LRP. Now, once you're in your LRP, I'm going to do my review cart because I already opened this up a moment ago. We're going to scroll down and you can see I've popped in there my order. So what I want to do is I just need to add on, if I do WEL, see the wellness boxes just pop up automatically, and then you can select it. So I'll put active sports in there as the next one, and you'll see that pops into my cart. Now you can see that they are one-time only orders, and I would need to process that now so that I can get that. So to do that, I would select ship now, and then I can get them.